Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel friends, Sai Techer, and finally today I'll be unboxing the device of the Infinix Hot 10 Play device, as you can see friends. So which I ordered in the Flipkart and finally today it got arrived, as you can see. So this is a smartphone which is available for about 8,500 rupees. So it is an unboxing video friends. So let me try to start the unboxing, and in case if you're watching first on this channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates friends on this mobile phone. So this is my first impressions about this Infinix phones. So I never used Infinix phones before, so this is my first phone which will be from the Infinix brand particularly. So let me try to start the unboxing video right now. As you can see friend, I have completely disinfected the box before opening. So let me try to start unboxing this video, and let's see friends what are the box contents we do get in the box. And as I said, this is my first impressions of using the Infinix phone. So even I am very much excited to use this kind of Infinix brand as well, to try this kind of smartphone. So let's see how well the phone will be able to handle in my kind of extreme intense kind of testing. So it is the packing friends of the smartphone, as you can see. So there is no bubble wrap at all inside the box, so only the phone is present. That's it. There is no bubble wrap or any protection around the phone at all, as you can see. So this is from the Flipkart which I have ordered. So here is a label, and here is the phone finally. So there is a Infinix Hot Play, as you can see friends, so which has a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So it is a box completely, as you can see, Hot 10 Play, which says here. So all the specifications are listed on this phone. So let me try to unbox the phone, and meanwhile I'll try to go regarding the specifications of this phone, what the phone has. So on the box, if you see, the first thing they mentioned about 6000 mAh of battery, and the next is 6.2 inches of screen. So 6.2 inches of screen is really a huge screen friends. Definitely I can definitely feel the difference. 6.8 inches of screen size, that's a very big screen, I would say, definitely. And the processor is of as you can see, Helio G35 processor, and the back camera is of 13 megapixel and the front camera is of 8 megapixel with LED flashlight. So this is my first time trying this kind of Infinix brand. So let's see friends what will be the results are after using this phone. And in case if you are using any kind of Infinix phones with you, if you're having any kind of Infinix phone, so make sure to comment below friends what are your thoughts about the brand, particularly the Infinix, and what is your experience of using this phone as well. So it is unboxing experience friends, as you can see here. The phone comes, and definitely I'll try to do a lot of testings on this Infinix phone. I'll try to test mainly the battery. So battery will be my main focus testing this phone. So I'll be testing the battery backup, how much the phone will be able to get as well. As you can see friends, it is the phone here. It doesn't feel much heavy at all. I'll try to do the testing of the weight as well. So this is a complete screen, as you can see friends. So there is no screen guard protection. So there is no screen guard at all. So you need to buy the screen guard, I can say. As you can see, there is no screen guard, and is a backside panel. So let me try to take out the backside cover. So backside it feels really good. So as you can see, this kind of design is going on, so which is very good. So let me try to boot up the phone, and meanwhile let me try to show you what are the box contents you do get in the phone. So is the box, and you do get only charger and the cable and the SIM card pin, as you can see. So a couple of other warranty papers, all those things. But this is a charger, so which looks kind of not premium quality, but definitely the made in India phone, made in India logo is there, and everything is there on the charger as well, as you can see here. So I'll try to even do the charging time taken to charge this phone as well. And here is the cable. So as you can see here friends, so this is a micro SD cable, not the type C cable. So that's another disadvantage here, but I'll try to test this phone. So overall this phone feels so huge. As you can see friends, it's so huge and so big as well. I can definitely feel the difference of using this phone. Even for some time itself, I can actually feel the difference while using. So let me try to quickly set up these things, and let me try to start. And let me first check the weight of the phone, how much the weight is about. So that is what my motive is. So let me try to select the India. So perfectly done, and escape, and let me try to select the weight. So weight is about 212 grams, so it's not too heavy. So 212 grams, so not much. So for the 6.8 inches of screen size friends, so you need to take that into consideration. So 6.8 inches of screen size and 6000 mAh of battery you are getting here. So let me try to start everything and skip everything and go to the home screen. Even I'll try to do all the things regarding the benchmark test results and all other aspects as well. as you can see. So all this information you'll be getting beginning the setup of this phone here. So I'm getting the message, and finally the boot up has been done. So this is my first time experience using this Infinix Hot 10 Play phone. So this is Infinix brand itself. First time I'm trying the Infinix brand. So I'll try to compare the Infinix brand versus other brands as well, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know about this phone. As you can see, so let me try to show you what the phone has by default. I want to see what the phone Android is of. Let me try to open the Android. As you can see, friends, on the top it says as you can see Infinix Hot 10, and here all the information about the phone is displayed completely. So 4GB RAM, 64GB memory, and 8 megapixel front camera, 13 megapixel back camera. As you can see, octa core, 6000 mAh of battery, 720 resolution, and the Android 10 update as well. As you can see, the phone comes out of the box with the Android 10. As you can see, friends, clearly Android 10. So these are overall impressions about this phone. So initially it feels kind of good. I would say there are so much of customization is going on right now. So I'll definitely test this kind of OS as well. How is the phone working and all those things. So let me try to take quick images and see the speed. As you can see, the image is also taking very faster. So without any kind of delay as well. So while taking the image. So I'll try to do the in-depth camera testing as well later on in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to know. As always, I'll try to create the special playlist for the Infinix Hot 10 Play users. So in case if you are having any other doubts regarding the smartphone, so make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts. So I'll try to do so many videos in the next couple of days on this mobile phone. I'll be testing in-depth reviews on this phone as well. And thank you, friends, for watching this video. And that's it, friends. This is a quick unboxing review, and I'll try to come up with other aspects like the camera review and the loudspeaker review and the display review as well. Particularly, even I'll concentrate on the battery testing as well on this phone. How is the battery backup is going on in this phone as well. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.